Hello everyone, welcome back to Rabbit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, quick recipes, breakfast idea, breakfast tips, African traditional foods, modern. If at all you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and view my videos. You can like them and share, please. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if at all you have not switched on your notification bell, please consider switch it on so that you can always be notified of the incoming videos. So, guys, today I just want to make some snack using avocado. So it's a very nice, unique recipe. So kindly watch this video until the end and try it on. So let's get to this. So, guys, the recipe that I'm going to make are by using this avocado. So I have at least 5 of them here, and I have boiled eggs here. I have raw eggs, and I have breadcrumbs. I have all-purpose flour, and I have salt, which is going to give it a taste. So stay tuned and see. By peeling off my avocado, this avocado, everything out. So guys, this is it. So I'll peel the rest the same way. So stay tuned. So you have to peel out everything. Guys, this recipe is very healthy. Keep tuned. Stay tuned until you see the whole process. So kindly look at my avocados. These are healthy fats which we need to use instead of these ones can help you reduce weight. But now we are not dealing with weight, I'm just trying to explain to you how healthy it is. So stay tuned. So guys, keep tuned. I'll keep it aside. With all-purpose flour, I will add in water. So that is that. Stay tuned still, guys. You just have to now to twist them, and you see. So what we're going to remove is just these ones. So this is how you do it then. Now you have to remove this way. So what we are going to do with this, we'll take one boiled egg, we place it there. Then you take this again, you cover it, make it sealed, and then we are going to dip it in this. Then we'll dip it in eggs. Then we'll dip it in breadcrumbs. So we make sure we coat it with the breadcrumbs well. Make sure it's well coated. Every part of it must have this. After that, we are going to deep fry it. So I'll continue the same way, guys. So I'll have one. Have this again. I'll take out this. Take an egg, close it up. Then I will dip it in here. This is all-purpose flour. Then you dip it in eggs all around. Then to breadcrumb. So guys, because it cannot fit in, I'll remove this. Cook. As it cooks, I'll continue with the. Yes, this recipe is so nice. Please try it out. Make sure every part of it is coated, well coated. And then dip it in. So guys, as they cook, I'll continue with the rest. So stay tuned. Put them in a pan where they cook in, they boil together. You see now mine are halfway. I don't have a deep pan, but still it can do. So I'll just change. The other side. So if you want it to be well coated, you can repeat it severally. So this is just round one. I'll repeat them once again. Okay. I'll take this out and I'm going to coat it for the second time. So this is just the first time. Place it in. Same to this, it's not well coated, and I'm going to do it for the second time. So meanwhile, I'll let this cook. So stay tuned. So when you're doing them, make sure you have some small avocados. Mine were a little bit big, but still, this is fine. So this is done. You can see this is avocado recipe. So place it aside. So I'll keep tuned still. Tupange tu hii pia. So guys, this is my avocado snack. So this is how it is. This is how it looks like. So I'll just try one. Just try one and you see how delicious it is. Mhm. So guys, you can see it's just coming out because of crunchiness. So see guys how beautiful, how tasty it is. So guys, you can try this out. Very very delicious, very very nice. You can use it as a snack, and it's healthy because it has now natural fat, which is avocado. It's not fatty. Then it has some proteins there, and we have some breadcrumbs as well. So kindly please view this video and try it out, especially if you have kids. Kids love it so much. So try it out, share, and subscribe if at all you have not subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.